Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Roseneski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I'm so excited to have y'all here, really excited. I can't wait for you to move on to the second step. So last week we talked a lot about sensory communication, that first element of visual communication and all the responses based upon those visuals. Now we're going to focus more on perception, how perception kind of plays a part with everything, how it goes into it. We're really going to take a look at a lot of different things like cognitive memories, semiotics, and a lot of different cultural perspectives and a lot of different elements. And that's what we're really going to focus on this week. So yeah, let's talk about that a little bit more in detail. So this week we're going to talk a lot and really start with like understanding cultural perception. We're going to focus a lot on that, but also go into detail more about perception as a whole and how it affects with a lot of different elements. And a lot of times when we're talking about cultures, it's important to really understand visual messages to those different groups of people, especially without confusion or offending certain groups. And a lot of times those different cultural groups are based off of where you're from, who you know, who you hang out with, religion, what type of religious elements you have, and then familial elements, like what family you're from. And we'll go a little bit more into detail of each of those aspects. However, this is what we're going to be focusing on this week. The second concept out of the five of those response types, especially from the five basic response elements, and that's what we're going to be doing: perception, how perception's used, how people look at things, how they could be understood, and how other people can understand them based upon different culture codes, based upon different cognitive memories and experiences. All these play a part with everything, and that's what we're going to focus on this week. Cool. So other than that, just to give you guys a heads up, get everyone a heads up. Sorry about that. That was a little unprofessional. Just want to let you know that discussion posts are back to normal. So Tuesday night at the end of the night is when your initial post should be due. Reply post to due on Saturday. So it should be Tuesday as always, reply post on Saturday. So that's how it should work from here on out. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, should be pretty much ready to go. Also, live lecture posts have been posted. Not only that, your announcement has been posted as well, including all the rubrics and everything. So if you have any questions, let me know. Those are tied to it. And make sure the links work. Contact me about that. Or if you can't see the rubrics, please let me know. They're tied to your announcements. And then we also have lecture. So lecture will be normal time, 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Central. Link is posted on the announcements. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. See everybody for lecture on Tuesday, and take it easy. All right, have a good one.